Michelle, pag mali ang sagot ni Michelle, may consequence ka ba? Alright, so your answer is...
BTS virtual meeting. BTS virtual meeting.
No, that is not the correct answer. Alright, what is the favorite color of the celebrant in 5? Hindi ka na natin. Your answer? Mid-grade, congratulations, Michelle. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, thank you. Pwede na yung GR.
Hindi ka ba? Hindi ka ba?
PT Kabada.
Kasi kahit kailan ba yung mga...
There you go. Music for Mr. Darren Engleso.
Kumain ka pa ng asukal.
Kumain ka ba daw ng asukan?
Namiss kasi ng hindi mo.
Alright. Music for Julius Lawson, please. Camera Kabada.
Kasi pag tumitingin ako sa'yo, napapress ka lang. Sure ba yan?
Alright. Music for Mark Peralta.
Sana nakapatay na ng ilaw. Sana nakapatay na ng ilaw.
Sana nakapatay na lang lahat ng ilaw. Para?
Para tayo mag-one.
Para daw kayo maging alright. Music for the upcoming more. For our fifth big roses coming from Radio Ambrosio.
Utang ba ba? Utang ba ba?
Uta Gabadaw.
Kasi habang tumatagal, mas lalong lumalaki ang interes ko sa'yo.
Yes, habang tumatagal na lang lumalaki ang interest. Music for J.R. Marquez. Mr. Craft Tag. Pwede ka ba daw na gawing driver?
Ay, ikaw daw ang mamaneho ng buhay ko.
Para ikaw ang pamaneho ng
Wala ko tingnan mo yun.
Alright. Pwede ba walang pick-up line si Mr. Joe? Hindi na pwede. Pag walang pick-up line, it's either dancing or singing.
Sing na lang, sing.
Sing. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, a song number from Joe Sanchez.
Wala music. Okay. Wanna be a baby, so about the things I never had. Thank you.
Alright. Music for Joe Sanchez. After Joe Sanchez, we invite in front for our 11 big girls, Josh Bosque. Bahay, Kabada.
Kasi wala ko
You feel it, Joe. Music DJ. Moving on into big roses, Mr. DJ De Guzman. Alarm clock, Kabada.
Kasi ginising ko ang
Ginising ang natutulog na puso ni DJ De Guzman. Palakpakan natin si DJ.
Kapag may tindahan ako na may tantulan ng tao na mura.
Lahat ng, at kapag may tindahan si Jasper, lahat ng tao may bentahan niya daw na mura.
Kasi sa'yo lang ako mamahal.
Makatingin sa'yo si Nani. Ayan. Music for Jasper Kaya. Password, Kabada.
Hindi kasi kita makalimutan eh.
Alright. Music for Jerome. By Katie Babada. O, bigyan ko lang yan. Mukhang tulog na si Mr. Ian Lopez. Narcissus. Plate si Mr. Ian. Isa pang plate. Plating. Ayan. Special prize of Mr. Ian Lopez. History mo yan.
Dictionary lang.
Dictionary, Kabada.
Kasi yung ano yung dito by
Music for Jose Gabor. Second to the last for the 18 big roses from Mr. Kenneth Tevez. Thank you, Mr. Jose.
Favorite subject ko siguro yung geometry.
Favorite subject mo daw siguro ang geometry.
Kasi kahit anong angle, okay.
Alright, music for Kenneth Tevez. Alright, Mr. Milanos, what is your pick-up line for Miss Carmela? Ako ba yan? Grabe ka sir. Oh, si Seiya rin, tinamay. Alright, matabang ka ba daw? Bakit daw? Mga isa sir. Mas mataba ako. Sige sir, salamat. Mr. Milanos, nandayan. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the 80 big roses of the celebrant.
So I'm inviting everyone to stand up and raise their glasses for the toast. So everyone please stand up and raise your glasses. So I dedicate this toast to Mela, who's turning 18. And I hope you enjoy being 18, you enjoy the whole life. This is a new chapter in your life, and there's gonna be lots of struggles, but you're gonna get through it. I've seen you since, I've seen you evolve and turn into a beautiful princess, Belle. And I know you can get through this, you can get through life, we'll graduate together. So, this is all for you, Bella.